yourself something funky.
Hey guys, it is Saturday morning. Another beautiful morning. I'm heading to Run Club. Fifth Order Run Club. Everybody, a bunch of people get together and run together. All different fitness levels. I haven't done it in a while. Haven't been there in a while, but it's a great group of people. So looking forward to running with those guys who I haven't ran with in a while. Gonna do that, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Alrighty guys, so Run Club is over. It was really cool running with those guys again. It's been a while, been a few months since I ran with those guys, and they're good people, good friends, and I missed them. It was great to run with them again. And I always have a good time running with those guys. They're so dedicated and good runners. And now I'm heading home. I'm gonna get a shower, breakfast, and I'm gonna enjoy this Saturday, that's for sure. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Oh.
What?
When you're done showering, can we go on a bike ride?
Are you trying to kill me? Are you trying to wear me out?
No, this is what I was gonna say. You didn't finish. You didn't let me finish. You and Mom can sit on the golf cart. Can't get in with your shoes on. You and Mommy can sit on the golf cart and I can direct you.
You can direct me.
Yeah.
What, are you a director? You make movies?
Well,
I'm gonna go shower.
but can you and Mom
Whoa.
go on the golf
Earthquake.
sit on the golf cart?
Earthquake.
Sit on the golf cart and then
We can ride a bike. I wouldn't mind riding today a little
I
bit.
know, but Mommy doesn't have a bike.
She rode the golf cart yesterday.
I know, but I don't want Ebony on.
Well, I mean, you don't have to go.
Okay. So we have to go shower then. And can I see that?
I don't want you to break it.
I won't.
What are you gonna do with it?
Look at it.
And you're gonna break it.
No, it doesn't. It looks
You can't
soft.
have it.
It looks
You
soft
can't-
and fuzzy. I want to feel
What?
it.
It does not look soft and
It
fuzzy.
really does right there.
All right, I'm going to shower.
Okay.
Say bye.
Are you videoing me?
Yes, say bye.
Bye.
I totally seen that.
Okay, you can do that, Dad. That's disgusting. Do that, people.
Alright guys, so we are out here again. We do this a lot. We out here on another bike ride. My wife and my daughter is up there, and my wife's dog Ebony, the Great Dane puppy, who just loves the golf cart. We're just out here on a morning run again, or a ride. I went for a morning run with my run club earlier, which you saw me going there, and then out here on a ride. So I'm gonna follow these guys around a little bit. Come to get you, Ebony. Come to get you. Hi, wife. Cool thing about this camera, I haven't talked about it a lot, which I'm going to do a review on it, but the cool thing about it is you can tip this thing upside down, sideways, whichever way, it doesn't matter. It adjusts itself, so you can tip this thing upside down and it will record right side up. And this thing's got a lot of cool features. I'm going to go over a whole review of this pretty soon, but this is a great camera, good birthday present, and great for my vlogs. Might be too close. Great for my vlogs, better vlogs. So, alrighty, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.